It might be your hands that save someone's life, but what if you don't know the skill you need in that moment? Nursing isn't just about wearing scrubs, it's about being ready when seconds matter. And no, it's not about perfectly folding hospital bed sheets, although, trust me, you will end up doing that too. Today, I am revealing 6 essential nursing skills that can transform you from a student into a confident, life-saving nurse. These skills are universal, and mastering them could be the difference between panic and purpose. Act 2, the skills. Skill 1, accurate vital signs monitoring. Vital signs are the first line of defense. Heart rate, blood pressure, respiratory rate, and temperature aren't just numbers, they're the body's warning system. Imagine missing a drop in blood pressure, the patient's condition could spiral in minutes. Don't just record them, interpret them. Ask yourself, why is the heart rate high? Why is the temperature low? That's how you think like a nurse, not a machine. But once you spot a problem in those numbers, what's your next move? That's where skill 2 comes in. Skill 2, AV cannulation. Inserting an AV is not just about finding a vein, it's about earning your patient's trust. The first time you hold that needle, your hands might shake, and yes, your patient will notice. Focus on vein selection, clean technique, and communicating with the patient. They're scared to calm words are as important as steady hands. In hospitals, AV lines are lifelines. Miss it once, you try again. Miss it twice, you learn. That's the nurse's way. But what if you can't give fluids through an AV, and the patient is struggling to breathe? That's when skill 3 takes over. Skill 3, oxygen administration or airway management. Air is life. When someone is gasping for breath, your calmness can be more powerful than the oxygen mask itself. Knowing how to select the right oxygen delivery device, nasal cannula, face mask, non-rebreather, and how to check for airway blockage is critical. Always look beyond the machine. Watch their chest rise. Listen for their breath. Feel for changes. Machines can fail, your senses really do. Of course, emergencies aren't the only battles. Sometimes, it's the silent warning signs you need to catch. Skill 4, patient assessment or communication. A good nurse treats a disease. A great nurse treats a person. Patient assessment is not just a checklist, it's a conversation. Look into their eyes. Listen to their tone. Small changes in skin color or posture can tell you more than any monitor. And remember, patients will often tell you what's wrong without saying it directly. Your job? Read between the lines. Also, never underestimate the power of a smile, it works faster than some medicines. But sometimes, instead of words, you need action. Which brings us to skill 5. Skill 5, wound care or infection control. A clean wound heals. A dirty wound doesn't. Proper wound care is about more than changing dressings, it's about preventing infection, managing pain, and protecting dignity. The golden rule, sterility is sacred. Once you break it, start over. Every bandage you change is an unspoken promise, I'm protecting you. And yet, all these skills mean nothing without this final one. Skill 6, critical thinking or quick decision making. In nursing, you often have 10 seconds to decide, and the rest of your career to think about it. Critical thinking isn't just about knowledge, it's about linking knowledge to action. A patient's BP drops suddenly, you don't just panic, you assess, act, and call for help, in that order. A truth is, hospitals run on teamwork, but every nurse must be able to think independently. That's how lives are saved. Act 3, closing or call to action. These 6 skills are your foundation. But remember, skills fade if you don't use them. Keep learning, keep practicing, and never lose that curiosity that made you want to be a nurse in the first place. If this video helped you, subscribe to KP Nursing Education. Our mission is to guide you from the classroom to the clinic, from the first lesson to your first life saved.